Hey, good morning. It's John with GreenKey. We are on site for our final day of the week. It's Friday. Very, very happy about that. Doing something a little bit different today. We're installing two 80 amp EV chargers. Most of the time we're installing 48 amp chargers. So this is a little bit different. It's really the same thing. It's just bigger breaker, bigger wire, bigger conduit. So I'm going to walk you through it real quick. We'll start with the charger itself. This is the Grizzl-E Ultimate 19.2 kW 80 amp charger and all the associated hardware with it. Got our 100 amp breaker. Over here we've got our panel. You can see that we do have space at the top. We're going to come out of the center knockout right there. We got to run 1-inch conduit. So we're going to run in greenfield up behind the drywall. We're going to come out right there and then run along the top above the garage doors. And the charger itself will be mounted right here. We'll mount the charger up high and then the cord reel a little bit lower. So we're going to go ahead and get to work, and when we're done we'll show you what it looks like. Oh, and by the way, let's find my brother Chase. I didn't get to introduce him this morning. Hey, good morning, Chase. Good morning. How you doing? Good. Awesome. All right, we'll see y'all in a little while. All right, so we're getting started running our conduit for this job, and we were talking about it. We think that 18 inches off the ceiling is a good place to run this. So I'm going to be center of the panel, about 18 inches off the ceiling. That's going to be the center of the access that we open here. We have a little template that we use to put our access in. Level on it. And then after we get this cut out, we have a plastic access cover that we'll use to cover it back up. It has a nice clean look, and it saves you from having to finish the drywall. All right. All right, we're done with the install this morning. We got our 80 amp Grizzl-E Ultimate charger, and here it is. We've got it mounted, and the cable right below it. We've got our 1-inch EMT conduit run with our number 3 wire for power, number 8 for ground, all the way over into the wall and down into the panel. Here's our 100 amp breaker. We've got it labeled EVSE, Electric Vehicle Supply Equipment. And we are just about to get the customer out here. He has a brand new Hummer EV, and it'll be parked right in this spot right here. So we're excited to try it out.